Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic 80-20 diet for weight loss. How it works? To follow the 80-20 rules, you eat a clean diet 80% of the time and allow yourself to enjoy a few indulgences 20% of the time. For many people, this means they eat well during the week and relax a bit on the weekend. The plan allows you to enjoy indulgence on a regular basis without making you feel like you are cheating your diet. This can be a balanced approach to a healthy diet and lifestyle for many people. What to eat? There are two types of foods: compliant foods and non compliant foods. Compliant foods are whole grains, low fat dairy products, fruit and vegetables, lean proteins. Non compliant foods: saturated fats, refined carbohydrates and sugar, processed foods. Whole grains. To fully benefit from the plan, make sure your 80% days contains a variety of nutrients rich foods. Focus on whole foods, including whole grains. Choose brown rice instead of white. 100% whole wheat flour over the refined white flour. Fruits and veggies. Fruits and veggies are whole foods and therefore rich in key nutrients. They are good source of dietary fibers and are also naturally low in calories. Lean proteins. Build your meals around lean source of proteins such as lean meats, legumes, and low fat dairy products. Do your best to avoid trans fats. Saturated fats. On your 20% days, you might choose to consume foods that are higher in fats, but portion control and moderation are still important. Refined carbohydrates and sugar. With saturated fats, moderation is key for your carbs and sugar intake. You can enjoy some pasta or white bread. Just don't go for the whole loaf. For processed foods, you might choose to include on your 20% days. Recommended timing. If your weekend starts on Friday and ends on Monday, you are not really practicing the 80-20 diets. To lose weight, make sure that your 20% really is only 20%. That equal 1.5 days per week or about 4 meals in 7 days. Tips. To succeed with the 80-20 diet for weight loss and weight maintenance, there are several considerations you all to keep in mind. Don't overindulge on your relaxed days. Remember, even your 20% days should be enjoyed in moderation. If you overdo in your off days, you will gain weight. Avoid punishing on your clean eating days. If you are knuckling through the week, you will be more likely to overindulge on weekend. Diet fatigue can cause you to quit or worst, to binge. Remember portion control. Eating a whole food diet still means paying attention to your portions. If you overeat any food, even healthy food, you are likely to gain weight. Exercise. 80-20 rule is perfect for people who participate in the balanced exercise programs and are physically active most days of the week. Exercise helps to balance out the extra calories that you consume on your 20% days. If you are not physically active and don't exercise, then the calories deficit created by the diet may not be enough to change in the scale. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. If you like the contents of the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.